Good morning, Swadhin. Good morning, Arohi. A warm welcome to all of you to today's Me and Math YouTube live session. So, Arohi and Swadhin, how has your morning been up till now? What y'all have been doing? I hope all's good and everybody's good with their health because it's winter season. A lot of us are, facing cold and cough and a lot of these problems. Good morning, Pavika. Lovely. Okay. All right. That's great, Swadhin. So, yes, I'm sure everybody is aware of what's the topic for today. And yeah, as we know, it is area and perimeter. Yes, it's area and perimeter. I hope you all have learned the concept already, and I'm sure you all might be having a good understanding. But yes, before we start the quiz, I will discuss it a little bit so that we all know what concept are we going to are we going to do. Okay, but शुरू करने के पहले I would want you all to come along with me and wish the stars congratulations to the star student of the week. So इस वीक का स्टार स्टूडेंट कौन है? चलो देखते हैं. Trijal Sharma. Congratulations, Trijal. Oh, we also have Bhagat Singh Punia. Lovely. Congratulations to Bhagat Singh Punia as well. And for the lovely job that you all have done, the dedication that you all have shown towards learning. So, yes, children, let's congratulate both of them, Trijal and Bhagat Singh, for the wonderful job that they have been continuously doing. Okay, let's clap for them and congratulate them. Yes. So even you can someday become the star student of the week by showing dedication, completing your homework assignments all on time, and attending your classes regularly and continuously learning every day, every time, right? Because practice makes a man perfect. That's how our dedication and our perseverance can help us become successful. So let's keep doing that and let's try to be the star student of the week. So once again, Trijal and Bhagat Singh, congratulations to both of you for the wonderful job that you'll have done. And now it's time for the riddle of the day. Are we ready, children? So the question of the riddle is, why are teddy bears never hungry? टेडी बेयर्स कभी हंग्री क्यों नहीं होते? एनी गेसेस? क्या आंसर हो सकता है इस रिडल का? चलो चलो चलो, क्विकली लेट्स पुट योर आंसर्स इन द चैट सो दैट इवन आई नो that all my children are attentive and they are in the class. So let's see who's able to guess it correctly. Why are teddy bears never hungry? Teddy bears कभी hungry क्यों नहीं होते? No guesses. Arey, it's a riddle. Chalo, at least try. Okay, let's see what the answer is. Because they are always stuffed. Yes, when we say because they are always stuffed, उसका मतलब होता है कि वो हमेशा full होते हैं. Why are teddy bears never hungry? Because they are always stuffed. In literal meaning, stuffed matlab they have the fur filled inside their shape, right? But so we call it that they are stuffed. We call it that they are stuffed. But ideally, yes, they are stuffed with fur. And since they are stuffed, we say they are never hungry. Right? Wasn't it funny? Okay, that's great. All right. So, children, I was expecting what answers from all of you, and I'm still waiting for that active participation and the enthusiasm from all of you. Okay. Yes. Oh, Swadhin says because they have no organ. Acha, because they are non-living things. Okay, that's absolutely true. They are non-living things, but we are looking at it from a funny side, right? So because they are stuff, that's the answer. Okay, let's look at all the voices of the learners who have been joining quite often to these YouTube live sessions and attending them dedicatedly, learning through all of these sessions. So thank you so much, Modipta, and a lot of other children like Sujan, Satvik, Arohi, uh, Sanvi, and many of them. Like, yeah, y'all are doing a fabulous job by joining these sessions because they are always helpful to us, right? Yes, I understand it's Sunday morning. All of you all want a break, but I'm sure this 1 hour is also a break and it's fun, and you'll get to learn also and practice also a lot with these sessions, right? So I hope y'all don't mind giving out 1 hour of your Sunday. I'm sure y'all don't, right? Okay. So let's proceed and let's start with our topic for today. So, yes, today our questions are going to be based on the concept of area, concept of perimeter, area and perimeter of basic shapes, missing lengths, finding cost based on area and perimeter. So, I hope, do my children know what is area? Area क्या होता है? Area is the that space occupied by any shape. Okay, space occupied by any shape. So let's say if we have a square, so this area within the square, I mean the space within the square is the area that we call. Okay, and what is perimeter? It's the sum of the sides of any shape, right? Sides of any shape. That means it's the boundary that we are talking about, the complete boundary. So I'm over here in case of this square, perimeter is the outside area, the boundary, right? So if I start from here, I end here. So this boundary, the sum of all these sides, the boundary is called the perimeter of that shape. Okay. And yes, we will look at, can anybody tell me what is the formula to find the area of a square? Yes, very good, Swadhi. Perimeter is definitely the sum of the boundary, sum of all the sides, right? So now who can tell me what is the area of a square? What is the formula basically? How can we find the area of a square? Yes, waiting for answers from you all. So when we say area of a square, we can simply find it by multiplying its side with its other side. Now, since we have all the sides, yes, length into breadth, you can call that. But in square, we just have sides since all the sides are equal. We simply write it as side into side. Or if it is a rectangle, yes, then we can say length into breadth. Then we can say length into breadth. Okay. Pavika, add all the sides is for the perimeter. For the area of any shape, we multiply one length into one breadth, side into side. Okay. Now, yes, coming to perimeter. So, perimeter of a square is the sum of all sides. That means S plus S plus S plus S, and that equals to 4S. 4 times S. 4 times its side, right? And that of a rectangle, it equals to length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. So that equals to 2 length plus 2 breadth. Okay, so in short, we can also write it like this: 2 times length per breadth. Okay, so perimeter is basically the boundary that we are talking about, the sum of the boundary, the complete boundary. Okay, and yeah, okay. So we are also going to look at sums where we have the missing sides and we have to find them. But yes, to find the missing sides also, we should be thorough with these formulas. Yes, children, you all can write down these formulas so that it becomes easier for you all to calculate and do the sums faster. Okay, and also we are going to look at sums where we have to find the total cost of any painting any area or constructing any area. So all of these we are going to be practicing. Okay. All right, so this is the basic understanding of our topic today, area and perimeter and area. So I hope everybody is thorough with the concept. Shall we start with the questions? Shall we start with the quiz? Are we ready for it? Come on, I want to see thumbs up in the chat. चलो thumbs up. अगर आप क्लियर हो कॉन्सेप्ट से तो चलो फटाफट thumbs up डालो ताकि I can start the quiz. मैं start कर सकूं quiz को. Okay, I want to see a little more energy and enthusiasm. Come on, children. Thumbs up. Okay. All right. I don't know why my children are. Oh, yes. Here I get it. Thank you, Pavika. Okay. So here comes my very first question, and which reads as find the perimeter of the given figure if all the sides are of length 3 tens minus 10 ones plus 4 1 centimeter. Okay. नाउ यस ये थोड़ा ट्रिकी है हमें इसको नंबर्स में कन्वर्ट करना है और हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कि इस शेप का पेरीमीटर क्या होगा ओके सो एनी शेप रिमेंबर पेरीमीटर ढूंढना है व्हाट डू वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट पेरीमीटर एंड व्हाट इज पेरीमीटर सम ऑफ ऑल द साइड्स ओके तो अगर आपको एक साइड का वैल्यू मालूम चल जाए तो आपको बाकी साइड भी मिल जाएंगे व्हाई बिकॉज Here it says all the sides are of same length. तो ये जो इसके sides है सारे उसके length same है. Okay, so now I'm sure y'all can find out easily perimeter. फटाफट y'all can find out, ढूंढो और आंसर टाइप करो. देखते हैं कौन पहला आंसर देता है करेक्टली. कौन सबसे पहले आंसर देता है करेक्टली. So is it option A, option B, option C, or option D? And we cannot take too long also. We have limited time. So y'all have only 1 minute to find out the answer. Children, I've already given you the hint. Perimeter equals to sum of all the sides. So first you have to simply find out what is the value of each side of this shape. And then you all know what to be done. Oh, Pavika has already given me the answer. That is B. Okay. We'll still need to find out whether B is the correct answer or not. Okay. So yes, let's see whether Pavika's answer is right or not, because I am not sure what are my other children really doing. Why are they taking so long to find out? So here they said if all the sides are of length 3 tens minus 10 ones plus 4 ones. Okay. So all the sides are of the same length. यहाँ पे they have already said all sides are of this length only, right? So 3 tens means 30 minus 10 ones plus 4 ones. So that gives me 14. So the length of each side is 30 minus 14, that is 16 centimeters. And now finding the perimeter. Hi Ashani. Okay. Now everybody is giving the answer B. Yes. So sum of all the sides equals to. So how many sides does this star shape have? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So here adding 16 8 times, that means 8 multiplied by 16. That gives me 128 centimeters. Was that very difficult? No worries. This was the first sum, so maybe we are still getting a hang of using the formulas. Okay, no problem. So, yes, let's move on to the second sum. And yes, congratulations, Pavika. You were the first one to give the correct answer and really quick. Okay, so good job, Pavika. Keep it up. Next, let's moving on to the second question. Which of the given rectangle has the largest perimeter? Now, this shouldn't take you all more than 30 seconds. So you'll have 30 seconds to find out which rectangle has the largest perimeter. कौन से rectangle का perimeter largest होगा? सबसे ज्यादा किस perimeter का किस rectangle का perimeter ज्यादा होगा? Yes, good morning, Lavanya. Welcome to today's session. Hi, Saina. Okay, so jaldi jaldi here. There are no specific measurements given. You all have to look at the shapes, use your logic, and find out which rectangle will have the largest perimeter. Yes, Eshani. Welcome to today's session. So, Eshani, quickly, come on. Let's type the answer. Okay, I already have the answer from Pavika, who says Q. Okay. All right, Arohi says option D. Okay, yes, Pavika, I got it. You said wrote Q, that means you are trying to say option B. Okay, Renu Garg. Sorry, I'm not sure what is your name. Hmm, let me check out. Yeah, Saina. Okay, Saina says option B. All right, so let's look at the rectangle. We also have a scale given below, right? So the scale, all these rectangles, they are starting from point 0 and they are ending at point 3.5, except the first rectangle. Now, the first rectangle, this is simply, we do not know the unit, so I'm just writing as 1. So this side is 1, but these horizontal sides are 3.5. So all these three rectangles have horizontal sides as 3.5, but the length is 3.5, but the breadth is what we have to compare and we can find out, right? Okay. So yes, looking at the breadth, we can easily find out that Q rectangle is the correct answer. This will have the largest perimeter because this has the longest breadth. Okay, if you compare all of these, this rectangle Q has the longest breadth. So my correct answer is B over here. All right, yes, Arohi, you have written B, accepted. Okay, so well done, Swadhin, Arohi, Pavika, all of you. Yes, your answers are absolutely right. That is option B, that is Q. Why? Because we have to be comparing the breadth, we can easily find out that Q is the largest rectangle. Yes, Swadhin, you are the first one to answer. Congratulations for giving the correct answer first. Yes, keep up the good job. Lovely. Now, coming to the third question, the perimeter of the star equals to the perimeter of the hexagon. All sides are equal. Note it, all sides of the hexagon are equal. Hexagon के सारे जो sides है सब equal है. Okay. Now, if each side of the hexagon is 20 centimeter long, अगर hexagon का जो side है वो 20 centimeter का है, then each side of the star will be what? हमें star का each side ढूंढना है. The perimeter of the star equals to the perimeter of the hexagon. Perimeter of star and hexagon क्या है? Equal है. So perimeter of star equals to perimeter of hexagon. Okay. Now hexagon का side क्या है? 20 centimeter. So we can find out the perimeter of hexagon. Yes. So let's quickly find out what would be my answer over here. What would be the side of the star? So I'm waiting for your answers to be typed in the chat. Come on quickly. Let's see who gives the first correct answer. Okay. Saina has given option A as the correct answer. Okay. We will check it in a while, Saina. Sweetie Kumari. Okay. I'm not sure what is your name. Arohi has given B. Aishani has given option B. Pavika has given option A. Okay. All right. I've got a lot of options over here. So let me help you all find out the right answer. So yes, perimeter of the hexagon, I can say equals to, how many sides does the hexagon have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 into 20. Okay, that's the perimeter. So that gives me 120 centimeter as the perimeter of the hexagon. That means if perimeter of hexagon is 120, so perimeter of the star is also 120, right? Now what we have to find out is the length of each side of the star. Now the star also has all the lengths equal. Okay, all the sides are equal. So how many sides does the star have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here the star has 10 sides. The star has 10 sides, right? So I can simply divide 120, that is perimeter of star equals to 10s. That means 10 times its side, right? So 120 equals to 10s. And to find out s, I have to divide 120 by 10. So I get s, that is equal to 12 centimeters. So yes, option A is absolutely correct. Very good, Renu Garg, Saina, right? Yes, very good, Saina. You were the first one to give the correct answer. Keep up the good job. See, my children are all competitive over here, right? They all want to try to give the correct answer first. So every time I'm getting different children coming in to give the answers. Very good. Yes, the rest of you all, whoever has given the option A as the correct answer, yes, that is the correct answer, 12 centimeters. Okay? Yes. Okay. All right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 4. Which of the given figures has the least perimeter? Now, this is very easy. All the sides of all the shapes have been given over here. So, out of these figures, which has the least perimeter? Least मतलब सबसे कम. सबसे कम कौन से शेप का पेरीमीटर है? P का है, Q का है, R का है, किसका है? चलो, जल्दी जल्दी ढूंढ के बताओ. ऑप्शन ए, बी, सी या डी, कौन सा राइट है? ऑप्शन ए, ऑप्शन बी, ऑप्शन सी या डी. सो पी का पेरीमीटर सबसे कम है, क्यू का कम है कि आर का कम है? जल्दी जल्दी टाइप करो आंसर्स. ओके, आई हैव Pratismita Eshani, who has given option A as the correct answer. Answer, sorry. Arohi has given A, then Arohi changes her answer to B. Saina has given B again. Lavanya has given B. Okay, so let's find out. Now, looking at the first figure, P. Okay, what is its perimeter? All the sides are given. So I'm going to simply add it. 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2, right? So that equals to 10, 12, and 14 centimeter. Okay, now this triangle, so this is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6 centimeters. And again, coming to the square, we have 4 plus 4 plus 4, that equals to 12 centimeters. So yes, it's quite obvious that the shape triangle, that is the figure Q, has the least perimeter. Only 6 centimeter, which is the least. सबसे कम वाला Q का perimeter है, that is option B. And this time, yes, Arohi was the first one to give the correct answer. First, she gave A, but then she corrected herself and she gave option Q as the correct answer. Good job, Arohi. Good job. Keep up. Okay. And then afterwards, yes, of course, a lot of children gave the correct answers. Saina gave, Lavanya also gave B, Arya Nandini gave B, Pavika, okay, you have to calculate it correctly, yeah, dear. Then Arya Nandini, yeah. So all of the ones who have given option B as the correct answer, that's absolutely right. Okay. So yes, let's move on to my next question. Okay. So yes, I'm loving the enthusiasm of all the children. Now they are all kind of trying to give the answers first and trying to answer it correctly. But yes, in the rush to give the answer first, let's not miss on finding the correct answer. Okay. The most important thing here is one that you are putting the effort to at least find out and trying to solve the sums. And second is that it is important to understand the concept. Okay. It's okay if you're not able to give the answer first. It's important that you understand it better. Your understanding should be clear. Okay. All right. Now here, so good job, सारे बच्चों. Good job. Keep it up. Continue practicing and continue learning. Okay. So chalo. Now coming to the fifth question. The length of a square field is 418 meters. Vishal runs 5 rounds around the field. Okay. Find the total distance run by Vishal. So there is a square field that is 480 meters with each side. Okay. He runs 5 rounds. So what is the total distance that he runs? Come on. Let's find out. Here once again. So I'm waiting. Y'all have 1 minute to find out the answer. Let's quickly do your calculations. Ah, yes, here my chat is flooding with the answers. So Arya Nandini says A. Stop for what, Swadhin? I didn't get you. Okay, Pavika and okay, okay, children, it's okay. Okay, Arohi has given the answer A. Arya Nandini says A. Pavika says A. Oh my God, all of the children are giving answer A as the correct answer. Uh, Children, it's okay. It's okay, children. If you all are not able to give the answer correctly first, no problem. Okay. We have to, main important thing, as I said, is to understand the concept and solve it accordingly. Okay. All right. So now coming to the answer. So here I have 480 meters as the each side, right? So it is quite obvious since this is a square field, all sides are going to be equal to 480. Okay. Now to take one round, okay, one round of this square field will equal to the perimeter of the square. Okay. One round of this whole field will equal to perimeter of the square field. That means I have to find out the perimeter of this square. So 4 multiplied by 480, as we already know, 480 is the side of the square, and that gives me 480 multiplied by 4. That gives me 1920 meters. So that is the perimeter. That means one round equals to the distance of 1920. Now, if I have to find out the distance of 5 rounds that he covers, The distance that he covers in 5 rounds will equal to 5 into 1220 meters, right? So when I multiply this by 5, I get the answer as 9600 meters, which is option C. Children, option A cannot be the right answer, right? If you've calculated properly, you should get the answer as 9600 meters, which is the correct answer. There is no option as 9800 meters. Okay, so let's not really fight over the fact that who's given the answer first. Okay, so it is option C. Yes, Swati, I have come to the fourth question. I'm trying to understand what is wrong over here. The last first question, the square perimeter is wrong. Oh, I'm so sorry. Yes, sorry. This is 16 centimeters. Sorry. Yes, you're right. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 16. You're correct. Okay. But anyways, that does not change my answer. My answer is option B only, that is figure Q. Because we have to find out the least perimeter. Okay. So I hope question 5 is also clear with all. Okay, children, if whoever has given the answer first, yes, uh, first correct answer is C. Whoever has given that, it's okay because I can't see anyone over here answering C as the option, correct option. Lavanya, yes, you first gave 9800 and then you gave 9600 after I solved the sum. So this time I can, okay. So uh, this is what the answer is. Option C is the correct answer. So everybody has given option A as the correct answer. So children calculate carefully and correctly. Okay. Yes, Anu Kamari, you changed your answer later. I get that, but fine. Okay. I give it to you that you were the first one to give the correct answer. Okay. Lavanya, I think. Yeah. All right, children. I hope it's clear. And thank you, Swadhin, for this bit of correction. But yeah, my answer remains the same. The answer does not change over here. It's option B only, that is figure Q, which has the least perimeter. Okay. All right, children. Let's move on to the next question quickly. चलो द गिवन फिगर इज मेड अप ऑफ अ स्क्वायर एंड अ रेक्टेंगल ये जो फिगर दिया है इसमें रेक्टेंगल है और एक स्क्वायर है द लेंथ ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल इज ट्वाइस द विड्थ ऑफ द स्क्वायर लेंथ रेक्टेंगल की जो लेंथ है वो स्क्वायर की जो विड्थ है उसकी 2 टाइम्स है राइट ट्वाइस मतलब 2 टाइम्स 2 टाइम्स और यू कैन ऑल्सो से डबल द विड्थ ऑफ द स्क्वायर सो फाइंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द फिगर ओके रिमेंबर हमें ये पूरे फिगर का पेरीमीटर ढूंढना है हमारे पास ये साइड है 7 सेंटीमीटर और इस पूरे शेप को हमने एक रेक्टेंगल और एक स्क्वायर में डिवाइड किया है ओके तो अब आपको ये पूरे शेप का पेरीमीटर ढूंढना है देव ऑल्सो सेड द लेंथ ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल रेक्टेंगल की जो लेंथ है वो 2 टाइम्स है स्क्वायर की विड्थ की so now using all of this understanding Now, using all of these understanding, find out the perimeter of this shape. Swadhin, yes, I've already corrected that. You're still focusing on the fourth question. I've already corrected that. But the answer remains the same answer. Correct answer change नहीं होता है. वहां पे triangle का perimeter सबसे कम था. Okay. So let's focus on this sixth question now. I've already made the change in the fourth question. Thank you for correcting me. I've already made the change in the fourth question, but Anyways, that was not really to be considered because हमारा answer इससे change नहीं हो रहा था, right? Okay, now let's. So chalo quickly. I want answers for the sixth question. Pavika says C. Saina says A. Sasmita Chaudhary says A. And Lavanya says 56. Okay. Thank you, Lavanya, for clarifying the answer to which question you're giving because now it is getting confusing. All of you all are putting different messages in between, so it is kind of getting confusing. Yes, so Lavanya says 56 is the answer to this. A, C, A, B. Okay. Should I wait for the others? The others are giving me answers. I hope Swadhin and the others have come out of the fourth question and they are working on the sixth question. Swadhin, you missed the fifth question for that. Okay, I guess I cannot see any answers coming in. So let's start finding out. Okay. Now it is pretty obvious that we have to find the perimeter of this whole shape. That means this side, this side, this side, and this side. When I add them all together, I can find the perimeter of this shape. This side, I already know it is 7 centimeters, right? And since this is a square, I can also say that this side is 7 centimeters because the sides of any square are same. Okay? Here also it will be 7. Here also it will be 7. Now this is coming to the rectangle shape. Okay? So I already know that the breadth is 7 on one side. So the other side also breadth will be 7. And the length, as of for length, what have they said? It is twice the width of the square. So 2 times 7 equals to 14. So if this is 14, then this will also be 14. So finally, the perimeter of the rectangle, sorry, of the figure, though it is a rectangle only, but still, yeah, of the figure equals to, so starting from here, now this whole side, let me highlight it with another color. This whole side, I will be, of course, getting by adding the length of the rectangle plus the width of the square. रेक्टेंगल की जो लेंथ है उसको और स्क्वायर का जो साइड है उन दोनों को ऐड करके मुझे ये पूरा साइड मिलेगा, राइट? सो perimeter of the figure equals to 7 starting from here. Okay, 7 plus 14 plus 7. तो ये जो लेंथ है रेक्टेंगल की प्लस स्क्वायर की जो लेंथ है 7 coming over here. This 7 I'm taking again 7, that is this, plus 14. Okay, so here I'm going to put this into bracket, sorry. 7 plus 14. Okay, and then finally one more 7. So I am adding 1, 2, this 2 whole thing, 3, this whole thing 4. So 7 plus 14 plus 7 plus 7. Okay, I have made an extra, I've added an extra 7 over here. Let's erase that. Okay, let's do it once again. Okay, I have this whole shape. Okay, this is square. So this side is 7, this side is 7, this is 7, this is 14, this is 14, and this is 7. Okay, so starting from here, 7 plus 14 plus 7 plus 7, and again plus 14 plus 7. So I'm talking about this side, right? Okay, now I can add them all up, and what do I get is 56 centimeters. So yes, option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer as given by Lavanya first. Yes, Lavanya, you were absolutely right. The correct answer is 56 centimeter. Okay, so 56 centimeter is the correct answer over here. It is the perimeter of the whole figure. Good job. Very good, Lavanya. Yes, you're absolutely right. And you were the first one to give the correct answer. After which Swadhin gave and Arya Nandini also gave the correct answer. Okay. So congratulations, Lavanya, for giving the correct answer first. Okay. Excellent. Keep up the good job. Pavika, I've added all the sides of the square. No, dear? I mean, one side of the square, this inner side, I don't need to add. I just need the boundary, the outside of this shape, no? The outside of this shape. So this inner one, I will not add. Why do I need the inside one? Okay, so 14 plus 7 plus 7 plus 14 plus 7 and again 7. So four sides I'm going to add, no, of this shape. Inner thing I will not add. The inner side that is not needed because I need to find out the perimeter. Okay? All right. But good question. I hope I have been able to clear your doubt, Pavika. Okay. Now coming on to the next question. Here, how many meters of wire fencing is needed if each post is 6 meters apart? Okay. Once again, I hope you all know what do we have to find out. 6 meters apart. Matlab, this is 6 meters. How many meters of wire fencing is needed if each post is 6 meters apart? So you have to find out for the wire fencing. What do we need to find out? Do we need to find out area or we need to find out perimeter? And if whatever, once you decide that, what is the next step is putting in your formula. So tell me. Okay, oh my God, I've already started getting answers. That's quick. Very good. Arya Nandini started with the answer first. So she says D, 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 D. Okay, Arya Nandini, relax. Repeating the same answer multiple times, it's not going to change the fact, right? So it's okay. I understood that you've given the option D as the correct answer. Arya Nandini, you can stop, dear. Let's stop repeating the answer. Pavika says B. Saina says D. Mm, Arohi also says D. Okay, so let's find out. Now, since they are asking for wire fencing, it's pretty obvious fencing we just do at the boundary. We just do the fencing at the boundary. We don't do inside any shape, right? We do it outside. Now here, since we have to do the fencing outside, I have to find out, of course, the perimeter of it, right? So perimeter of the given figure equals to, now 6 meters apart, all are 6 meters apart. So first we have to find out how many sides are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so there are total 14 sides. So I am going to multiply 6 by 14 to find out the boundary, to find out the perimeter of this shape, which equals to 84 centimeters. Yes, so very good. Keep up the good job, Aryanandini. You were the first one. Yes, Aryanandini, I got it. You were the first one who gave the correct answer. Very good. Keep it up. Yes. So I hope everybody's understood how did we get 84? Because there are 14 sides and 14 multiplied by 6 gives me 84 as the perimeter of this whole figure. Okay. So I hope we are clear. Yes, yes, Pavika. Good, good that you corrected your answer. Well done. Okay, so here we come to the very last question for today. That is our Sunday bonus question. Here it reads, if the cost of production of the wooden table, okay, there is this table which we have to make, उसको बनाना है, उसको कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है, उस टेबल को बनाने का कॉस्ट कितना है? $15 पर स्क्वायर फुट. एक टेबल को बनाने का कॉस्ट कितना है? $15 per square foot. Okay, per square foot. Now that is already giving you the idea what you have to find out over here. What would the cost of producing a table? What would be the cost of producing a table of length 8 feet and width 3 feet? Okay, so let's see who gives the correct answer to this. Yes, this is my Sunday bonus question, and whoever answers this, hats off to that child. Come on. So it's a challenge, and देखते हैं कौन इसका सही आंसर देता है first. And you have only 1 minute. So चलो. I've already given you the hint कि इधर मुझे क्या ढूंढना है, एरिया ढूंढना है कि पेरीमीटर ढूंढना है, और वो ढूंढने के बाद हमें कॉस्ट कैसे मिलेगा वो आपको बताना है. Okay, Arya Nandini has already given her answer. Okay, Arya Nandini, let's not repeat your answer. You are constantly repeating. I got it. I read. Your answer is there. Okay, I accept your answer. Okay, ROE also says 360. Saina says 360. Okay, all right. So let's find out. So the cost of wooden table is $15 per square feet, right? Per square foot. Square foot, when I say, that means we are talking about area over here, right? So what would be the cost of producing a table of length 8 feet and width 3 feet? अगर उसको प्रोड्यूस करना है कॉस्ट का हमें उसको बनाना है तो उसका कॉस्ट कितना है तो वो हमें एरिया से मालूम चलेगा क्योंकि कॉस्ट हमें एरिया वाइज दिया है कि उसका कॉस्ट पर स्क्वायर फुट दैट इज द एरिया इज $15. 1 स्क्वायर फुट का $15 है. तो पहले तो हम एरिया ढूंढेंगे इस टेबल का. एरिया ऑफ टेबल okay equals to length into breadth, that equals to 8 into 3 feet, right? So 8 threes are 24 feet. Oh, sorry, square feet. I'm so sorry. Okay, so it is area is 24 square feet. Now they have said 1 square feet ka cost is $15. So cost of producing the table equals to 15 multiplied by 24 क्योंकि 1 का कॉस्ट है $15 so 24 का होगा 15 multiplied by 15. Okay, so here my answer would be 360, which is absolutely right, and that was first given by Arya Nandini. Yes, 24 multiplied by 15. But yes, Arya Nandini, you have to be careful. You have to first never forget writing the units. So even if you're writing the cost, your unit should be there, right? It is $360. Okay, it is not only 360, it is $360. So children, keep this in mind that whenever we are having any kind of units, we always have to write the units to get the answer correctly. Okay, all right. So good job. Oh, okay. Annu Kumari, happy birthday to you. Arohi, Yes, I hope you have a lovely birthday today and very, very happy birthday to you. Okay. All right. So, children, I hope you all understood this question. And this was the last question for today. So, I hope you all had fun doing area and perimeter and a good practice that you all got. But very important thing is that you all participated in today's live session, used your Sunday 1 hour productively, and I loved the enthusiasm that all of you showed. So, you all did a great job. Keep it up. See you all again next week. Until then, bye.